What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another episode of The Bakery. Are you ever tired of mixing your own ingredients, making your arm all tired and sore? Well, I would like to introduce the all-new electric mixer from Black & Decker. If you are looking to save your arm along with time in the kitchen, then I suggest upgrading your baking tools with a automatic hand mixer from Black & Decker. If you enjoyed this video, then please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you next week in the bakery for another amazing video.